Hello, kids. So, the story we are going to read today is Paddy Dog Sees a Ghost. Paddy Dog is in his little house. It is a very windy day. Paddy looks out of the window. He sees the leaves falling off the trees. It is a good day for doing some washing. He says, Paddy Dog likes to be clean. Paddy goes to get all his dirty washing. My sheets are dirty, he says, and my pillowcase too. Paddy takes the tablecloth. He takes his scarf and his dirty socks. He puts all the dirty things into the wash tub. Then Paddy Dog fills the wash tub with very hot water. He puts in lots of soap powder. Then he rubs and he scrubs until his things are clean. Paddy goes outside to hang the clean things on the line. The wind is blowing hard. Now I will go and see Dilly Duck, says Paddy Dog. He goes to the duck pond. Dilly is washing her 3 little ducklings. It is a good day for doing washing, says Paddy Dog. You are silly, says Dilly. The wind is blowing too hard. Look, all your washing is blowing away. Oh no, says Paddy Dog. He runs down the lane after his washing. He finds his socks in the hedge. He finds his tablecloth on a bush. Flippy Frog finds the scarf and pillowcase. They are in the pond. Poor Paddy Dog. His washing is all dirty. He cannot find his sheet. It is not in the hedge. It is not in the bush. It is not by the duck pond. Is it in the forest? It is very dark in the forest. Paddy Dog is afraid. Something goes hoo, hoo, hoo. Paddy sees something white. It is up in the tree. A ghost, says Paddy Dog. He is not very brave. Paddy Dog runs away fast. Paddy runs to Hoppy Rabbit's house. Hoppy's outside washing his little car. He rubs and he scrubs until it is clean. There is a ghost in the forest, says Paddy. No, says Hoppy Rabbit. Yes, says Paddy. It is up in the tree. Let us take Bossy Bear, says Hoppy Rabbit. They run to Bossy Bear's house. Bossy's outside washing the windows. He rubs and he scrubs until they are clean. There is a ghost in the forest, says Hoppy and Paddy. No, says Bossy. Yes, says Hoppy and Paddy. It is up in the tree. Let us tell Dilly Duck, says Bossy. Tilly and her ducklings are by the duck pond. Mary Mole and Flippy Frog are there too. There is a ghost in the forest, say Paddy and Hoppy and Bossy. You are silly, says Dilly. Come and see, says Paddy Dog. So they all go to the forest. They are afraid, but they try to be brave. Then they see something white in the tree. Hoo, 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 it goes. They all hear it. It is a ghost, says Dilly. They are not brave at all. They run away. Then Cuddly Cat comes by. She sees something white. Hoo, 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 it goes. What is that? Says Cuddly. It is a ghost in the tree, says Paddy Dog. I will go and see, says Cuddly Cat. Look out, says Hoppy. The ghost will get you. But Cuddly is very brave. She goes up in the tree. She lifts up part of the sheet. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Look, says Cuddly Cat. They all shout, We know you. It is not a ghost, it is Ozzy Owl. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.